So this is the video for lesson 3. Hopefully you've done the actual lesson first. So it's asking which inequality doesn't belong. And hopefully you talked with your partner and came up with reasons. Okay. And this is another situation of, it's, where there's a reason for each one. So this is the only one with a fraction. Okay. This is the only one with a number less than 1. This is the only one that isn't true, because 8.5 is not less than 7. 7 is less than 8.5. And even though it has a decimal point, this is the only one with 2 whole numbers. That means width. Alright, so for activity 1, we're going to put the temperature, we're given this table. Put the temperatures on a number line. Which day of the week had the lowest temperature? So we're going to start with a number line. Okay, so we make our number line. So 0, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, well, Monday is 5. So I find 5 on the number line and I put a point. Tuesday is -1, so I find -1 on the number line and I put a point. Wednesday is -5.5, so I go to -5, and it's halfway between 5 and 6, so I go to halfway between and I put a point. Thursday is -2, so I go to -2. Friday is 3, so I go to 3. Saturday is 4, and Sunday is 0. Now, which day of the week had the lowest temperature? So the lowest low temperature would be the farthest left. Well, the farthest left is this one. And so that is -5.5, so that would be Wednesday. Wednesday had the lowest low. Okay, so now I take a look at question 2. The lowest temperature ever recorded in the United States was -62 degrees Celsius in Prospect Creek Camp, Alaska. The average temperature on Mars is about negative 55 degrees Celsius, which is warmer. The coldest temperature recorded in the USA, or the average temperature on Mars? Explain how you know. Well, just a quick sketch. Okay. So, I'm going to put 0, negative 10, negative 20, negative 30, negative 40, negative 50, negative 60. Okay, and there's room, so I'll stick a negative 70 in there. Well, negative 62 would be right about there. And then negative 55 would be right about there. Okay. Warmer would be farther right. And so, negative 55 is farther right, and so let me fix this. I'm in the dead spot on my tablet. The average temp on Mars is warmer because, now, B/C means because, that's the abbreviation for because. It is farther right on the number line. Now, write an inequality to show our answer. Well, negative 55 is greater than negative 62, or negative 62 is less than negative 55. Either answer is fine. On a winter day, the low temperature in Anchorage was negative 21 degrees Celsius, and the low temperature in Minneapolis, Minnesota was negative 14 degrees Celsius. Now, Jada said, I know that 14 is less than 21, so negative 14 is less than negative 21. This means that it was colder in Minneapolis than in Anchorage. Do you agree? Explain your reasoning. Well, again, let's draw the number line. Now, because of where it is, I'm going to start with negative 10, because we don't need to go all the way to 0. So negative 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, negative 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, negative 20, 22. And so we've got negative 14, 1, 2, 3, and negative 21. So colder is farther left. So negative 21, negative 14, negative 21 is farther left. So no. Negative 21 is farther left. Or below 0. So it is colder than negative 14. Okay, now for activity 2. Plot the numbers on the number line and label each point with its numerical value. So, negative 2. Well, it's telling us, this tells us that it's going by ones. So, negative 1, negative 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 3, 4, 5, negative 7, and we're done. Just plot the points and put what it is. And for question 2, decide whether each inequality statement is true or false.
Hello, Dad.
Hello, Daniel. I'm making a video, so shh. Yes, I will turn on your tablet. Yes. Yes, we can be real. Alright, so decide whether each statement is true or false.
Wow,
And-
that's a big long letter and number.
Yeah, it is a big long
2
letter.
plus 7 equals what?
What does it equal?
72.
No.
Seven-
You're being silly. What's
7.
No, what's 2 plus 7?
2 plus 7 equals 72.
No, you're being silly.
270. 270?
Okay, you're being silly.
What does 4 plus
Honey,
7 equal?
What is 4 plus 7 equal?
47.
No, you're being silly.
74.
Honey, stop being silly.
Then what does 7 plus 4?
What is 7 plus 4 equal?
It's a big number, so I see 20.
No. What is 5 plus 5?
10.
Very good.
What is 10 plus 10?
What is 10 plus 10?
20. What is 10 plus 20?
What is 10 plus 20?
10 plus 20 equals 30.
Very
What does
good.
30 plus 20 plus 10 equal?
What does it equal?
40.
Very good.
What is 40 plus 10 plus 20 plus 10 equal?
What does it equal?
50.
Good.
What does 50 plus 10 plus 20 plus 40 equal?
What is 50 plus 10 plus 20 plus 40 equal?
60.
Well, that's 50 plus 10.
50 plus 10 equals 62.
That's you're being silly.
Hey, I didn't on the screen.
Okay, so negative 2 is less than 4 is true.
Can I eat them, please?
Ask Mommy when she gets in here.
We're gonna ask her right now.
No, wait till Mommy gets in here. Because negative 2 is farther. Huh. Daniel, what did I say? Do you want timeout?
No.
Then you wait till Mommy gets in here.
That would take a long, boring time.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I'm just going to wait.
Yes, that's what I told you to do.
I'm just going to
Since negative 2 is farther to the left.
I'm just going to right here.
Honey,
People.
Daddy's trying to talk. So I need you to be quiet.
Fuck.
Since negative 2 is farther to the left, it is smaller than negative 4. It is less than negative 4. Okay? We have to make sure we're using less than or greater than instead of bigger or smaller. Okay. Now, for the second one, for B, well, if that's 0, that's negative 2. Well, negative 7 is farther left. And so this is false. Negative 7 is farther left than negative 2. So negative 7 is less than negative 2. Okay, for C, we've got negative 7 there. And positive 4 there. And so 4 is farther right than negative 7. So 4 is greater than negative 7. Okay. And so for letter D, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, negative 7 here. And 10 there. And so this one is false. Because this says negative 7 is greater than 10, but negative 7 is farther left than 10. So negative 7 is less than 10. Alright. For number 3, Andre says that 1/4 is less than negative 3/4 because of the two numbers 1/4 is closer to 0. Do you agree? Explain your reasoning. Well, again, let's draw a number line. And so, if that's negative 1 and that's positive 1, that means each of these lines is 1/4. So, 1, 2, negative 3/4, positive 1/4. So, well, yes, 1/4 is closer to 0. No, I don't agree. 1/4 is farther to the right, so it is greater than -3/4. Also, positive numbers are always greater than, yeah, no, I know you want to, but it's time to be in bed and getting ready to relax. I know you really, really want to, but it's time to get in bed and ready to relax. Okay.
I'm never going to get in bed again.
Honey, you're already in bed.
What do you mean tomorrow?
You'll get in bed.
No. I'm going to wait until Mom and you are in bed, and I'm going to go in bed last.
No, you won't. No, you won't. No, you won't.
I'll decide to let Mom and you get in bed first.
Okay. So, answer each question. Be prepared to explain how you know. I don't think so, honey. Okay. So 5/4 is 1 1/4, and 1/4 is just 1/4. So, which is greater? 1/4 or 5/4? Well, 5/4 because it is farther right, which is farther from 0. 5/4. Okay. Now, for this one, we need to use a different number line because, well, we have 8ths and 3/4. So, that means I need 8ths. So 0. -1. And +1. Now, -3/4, well, that's -6/8. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's -3/4. And 5/8. 1, 2, 3, 4. And so which number is greater? And so the greater number is 5/8 because it is farther to the right.
I'll never play with tea again.
And now, which is farther from 0? Well, this distance is 6. This distance is 5. So negative 3/4 is farther from 0. So just because it's farther from 0 doesn't make it the bigger number. Is the number that is farther from 0 always the greater number? No. The greater number is the number that is the farthest to the right. Alright, and so that's it for this lesson. Your assignment is on EdSite. It's lesson 3 practice problems. Whatever you don't finish of that is your homework. Sorry that my son was so prevalent, so much, that you heard him so much in this video. I'm sure some of you got a kick out of it. Hopefully I will see you tomorrow. Have a good day. Bye.